In this video, we will learn conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. For that, you need to go under Home tab. You need to go here, conditional for formatting. Okay, but let's select this one. Suppose these are the marks obtained by these students. This is the numbers obtained in math subject by students A to J. So we want to represent it in color code or bar or in bar chart based on their available numbers, based on the obtained numbers. So go to here conditional formatting and here data bars. If we select one data bars, it will come. You can choose different colors. So suppose this one. So what we can understand from here, that 58 is the marks obtained in math subject by student A. So 58, here is 62, but here you can see 88 and 92, these are more. So if you so at a glance it is very easy to understand the less marks or the higher marks obtained by each and every student. Suppose here 45, so this color code, this data bar is very small, and in case of 92 or 98, you can see here the data bar is more. So this is a graphical representation, you can say. Okay, now let's select another pattern. Let's select the numbers obtained in English by all the students. Go to conditional formatting, then by color scale we want to highlight. Yeah, so this is the color scale. So different colors. Suppose this one. So by color scale you can find out here 96, this is the deep color, so highest number obtained, and here 45, this is the color. So by color coding we can also differentiate the numbers obtained by each students, less number or more number. Here now we will see we want to put some signal icon. So there are a lot of icons available here. Let's select this one and go to conditional formatting. This is the third option here. This is the icon sets. So different icons, you can see this is the total marks obtained by each of the students in both the subjects. So this icon or this flag, different color coding flag, or this is this looks like traffic signal. So green signal means it is more number is obtained, 184, 182, so these are green signal, that is more. 137 is yellow, and red signal is less, 107, 120, so this is red. So different types of icons you can choose from here. Yeah, this, yeah. Okay, so this is conditional formatting.